gun range. Period, poo. Chopper. Pew, pew.
It's a 22.
Everybody gonna die tonight.
Got a bitch, real plugs and connections. First I made him eat it till he locked jaw. Give it to him good, knock a nigga socks off.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
And it's hot as fuck. Look at this bitch. She got no teeth. Yo.
Dick dog shit. You are not it. Me, I'm not it. I'm not it.
You cheated.
No.
She put back in.
No, she dead ass shit.
Move your big ass head.
I was just saying
Move your big ass. Move your big ass head.
We'll get you guys set up in just a second.
No, I mean like
Outside. So get signed in for me right up here, guys. So if you guys, I'm cool with sending you guys out with 4 wrinkles if you really want to.
so can we get the pink one? Can I get the 7 green, the black 17?
Sure. Do we still want to do the 380, or do we want to just keep with 9mm to make it simple?
Yeah. Which other one? Somebody gotta go back there with you.
You want to do the big shit?
I shot a Remington. What is that? A shotgun?
Well, some of Remingtons usually make sure that tends to be what they're going. You think 100 rounds will be good for now?
Yeah.
We all need eye and ear protection, right? Yeah. Okay, grab some eye protection off the wall for me here. The ones in the bag on the left are the cheapest ones. Go pick whichever.
Wait, is these yellow ones $5?
Something off the wall if you want to get that, or I can get you set up with foam earplugs here. That's your choice.
I guess earplugs.
Foam earbuds.
Foam earplugs, does everyone sound cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
They don't even have the one I saw. There was one with a guy, and he's trying to shoot back at you, and I wanted to shoot him first.
Okay.
They don't even have that up there.
So, sorry about that. Okay, everything together, that's going to be 145.38.
No, Tika got kicked out last time. What you looking for?
These don't work. Hey, you got it on you? You got it on you?
No more. Oh shit. No big gangster.
Was that the right one? Look at the big gangster, the big goon. I'm trying not to be pussy, but I jumped hella hard.
You shot me? Alright, man, how old is
Locked and loaded.
Maybe I put it down.
Get that shit, Shara. Did you hear anything?
Oh, hi. Kill that nigga, Sheriff. You kill him, friend. Did that bitch try to fuck you? Get that hoe. Yeah. You see a little friends back there?
Yeah. Shoot that. Oh, headshot. Oh.
Don't play with it.
Don't play with it.
Don't play with it.
You loaded it backwards.
That's what I said.
She broke the gun.
I fucking break the gun. I listen. Thank you, sir.
Oh, weak. This one broke it too. I will find him again.
No, hold on. You gotta get this together.
What did you do? Oh, okay, it's not stuck. Hers was
I
stuck.
think this is Jen. I think the best.
The bullet is probably stuck in there. It looked crooked. I don't know how it's supposed to look.
Got it now, Jen? This will come back. Never mind. Got it.
Keep your finger on the trigger.
Okay.
Oh, Chyna got a 7. Chyna got a 7. Maybe you gotta pull it back.
Oh, yeah.
Killer too. She got a headshot.
Ooh, child. Take this away.
Totally ready to roll. Lift your thumb up. This poem, everything's gonna go right in the spot. Like this.
Okay.
Hold tighter with this hand than you do with this. This here
Hold tight with this is?
with this hand.
Okay.
So hold tight, lock your elbows, lock your wrists. When you go to actually squeeze the trigger, go slow.
So whichever hand you pulling the trigger with, hold it.
Less
Not
tighter.
so tight, but the hand that you, okay.
If you do this, you give it room to do this, you'll catch the brass in the forehead all day.
Yeah, those shits was
That's why I was
hitting me.
doing it. So now we now gotta hold tight.
Y'all cracking up. I was like, y'all really boosted this.
That splash.
Hold up. Wait a minute. This is 22.
It's the chop chop for me.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.